Alright babes, we are back with another video. I'm going to start this video off with color correcting these blemishes on my chin. So I'm going to use LA Pro Girl, the orange color corrector, to color correct that. I'm going to blend that in. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Revolution setting powder. This is a translucent setting powder. So this pretty much disappears. This doesn't have any color. You want to make sure you set your color corrector so that it will not show under your foundation. Now I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay's foundation. This is in the shade 8.0. This is the number 4 face brush by Upscale Faces brush set. I'm going to start blending that into my face. Alright, using my Urban Decay's concealer, y'all, I'm going to start placing it under my eye. Y'all know I like a bright under eye, so this is the shade 40, and then I'm going to go in with the shade 60 to finish concealing my T-zone area. Now I'm going to start softly blending out my concealer. Now it's time to set the concealer. So I'm using my Laura Mercier setting powder to pretty much set that. This is in the shade Translucent Honey. And I'm going to start pressing that into my under eye. You know, you have to really press that powder in so that you will not get any flashback. Taking my Tropical Vacay bronzer palette, I'm going to start bronzing my face with that. What this does is pretty much bring back warmth to your face. The difference from bronzing and contouring is bronzing bring warmth, contouring brings structure. Now I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder to pretty much highlight underneath my cheekbones. Now it's time to do the eyes, so I'm going to be using my Upscale Face eyeshadow primer to prime my eyelids. Using the Upscale Face 18 Colors of Day and Night, I'm going to start off placing this brick color into my outer corner. Now using a darker brown, I'm going to start placing that right in my crease and slowly blend it out. Now jump into that blackout color in that palette. I'm going to take that and place that right in my crease and slowly start blending that out as well. Going back and forth from that brown coffee color to that blackout color to pretty much expand the outer corner and give it more depth. I'm going to be doing that for a while. Now taking upscale face eyeshadow primer, I'm going to place that right in the inner corner of my eyelid to give it that smoked out soft cut crease. Now I'm going to take that brick color and start softly smoking out the inner corner of that black. Jumping back into that blackout to pretty much add more depth to the outer corner of my eyelid. Now I'm going to take that color cream and place that on where I placed the eyeshadow base. So in the inner corner of my eye. Taking my liner from Upscale Faces, I'm going to start drawing out a dramatic wing. Placing some dual lash glue right in the inner corner to give this look an extra pop. I'm going to be applying glitter as well. Now I'm going to go in with that blackout color and I'm going to be applying that to where I applied that liner to make that eyeliner pop and to smudge out the outer corner, connecting that liner to the shadow. Spraying my face with the Morphe Continuous Setting Spray to set my makeup. I'm going to go in with a foundation brush to press that powder in. The eyeliner is by LA Pro Girls. I believe it's called Aftershock Bold Black Liner. I'm going to be applying that to my waterline. I already put the dual lash glue on the falsies and now I'm just going to apply them to my lash line. Now I'm just bringing color back to my face, so I'm going in with that contour palette by Plan to Makeup by Yolanda and just start contouring my face again with the powder. This matte lipstick is from Plan to Makeup by Yolanda. This is in the shade Lola. Placing my P. Louise Acid Rain base in the center of my lips and slowly blending that out. Now this is an extra step, but I'm just applying translucent setting powder over my lips so that when I do put my lip gloss on, those colors will pretty much stay ombre. The way I apply my gloss is I usually just apply it to the outer portion of my lips. I don't put it in the middle of my lips because I don't like that gummy look when you're when you got too much lip gloss on. So this is a perfect trick to keep that from doing that. This is the loose highlight pigment from J. LaRue Cosmetics in the shade Nefertiti. I'm going to be applying that to my cheekbones. Alright, so pretty much all these shimmers inside of the 18 Colors of Day and Night palette by Upscale Faces you can use as a highlight. So I'm going to be placing that donut and glaze shimmer in the bridge of my nose and on the tip of my nose. And I'm also going to place that in the center of my cheekbones. I'm also going to be placing Mars in the inner corner of my eye. All right, y'all, this is pretty much the finished look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And until the next video, y'all, see you later.